Hey everyone, I want to share a cool experience with all the bike enthusiasts out there. It's called the Brewed Moto Show. So this is an annual event that's all about bikes and their builders. Unique bikes, I should add. Builders from around the country showcase their pride possessions. This show is hosted inside the Rheingeist Brewery, which is in Cincinnati, Ohio. Thanks to my friend Les from the Power Sports store in Sharonville for telling me about this event. So I attended the free event, of course, and it was pretty interesting. I saw some pretty cool bikes. The show runs from like noon to midnight, so you got plenty of time to browse, have your favorite refreshments from Rheingeist. It's a good time. Now, the Power Sports store was an actual vendor inside. Of course, you have the Rheingeist beer. You have, I think I read, up to 3 or 4 food trucks outside. They also have food indoors. I think I saw some nice looking pizza there, man. That was great. So yeah, I didn't even know about this event, but apparently it's every year, so I'll definitely go back next year. But hey, if you're in the area, check it out. Rheingeist Brewery, downtown Cincinnati, Ohio. Look it up. I got a web link below where you can, if you are a builder and you have what you consider a pretty cool looking bike, check it out. There's from all year models, way back when till even present. So pretty good time. So enjoy the eye candy and check out garagebrewed.com for all the finer details.